Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download DaVinci Resolve on Windows 11 or 10. Well, the first step would be to open Google and search for DaVinci Resolve download. Now download the Windows version. Download the installer here. Now extract the file. Click on this folder and double-click on the installer. Check these two boxes and click Install. Next, accept the terms.
Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies.
Okay, now we will open the Windows search engine and we will look for DaVinci Resolve. Continue. Quick setup. Continue. Here you choose the video quality you want for your videos. Here you choose where you want the videos to be saved. Here you can choose the key combinations you used to use in other editing programs if you are already used to it. If you found the video helpful, give me a shout out in the comments and leave a like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks.